D-Swizzle, live, back at ya with another Walt Doggy Dog fencing product. As you can see, this is a poorly welded, this is the Walters Fencing new 2 barb dispenser. So with this lug here, you can take it off and it fits in the towbar mount of your vehicle, or you can weld this lug onto the back of the trailer to slide it in. Back to the front of it, the 2 spikes are tapered at the end, so if there's a bit of loose barb or a bit of stuff in the roll, just slide straight through. So to install it, it's pretty easy. Same as installing a towbar. Slide it into the holes, light it up, put the pin in, and
sick, I'm feeling it. You're not the one, but I still want you like the beat in my chest. Love sick, I'm feeling it. I know you're not the one, but I still wanna light up.
So the only downfall we've found so far is that we can't actually see it, but you can drive by feel, you can hear it, or if you've got 2 people, the second person can see it. Or if you have a new enough ute, just pull up, chuck it in reverse, see how much you've got, then off your track. So to sum it up, it's nice, lightweight, bit of gear, easy to load the barbs on and off, being so close to the ground. Another plus being so close to the ground is the barbs directly hit the ground, so I don't have room to tangle, bounce and carry on. It's also good if you want to make some more room on your ute. Rolls of barb take up too much room, so if you've got 2 on the back, then you've got room for plenty of other gear. And as I said before, with this lug, if you want to load it on your trailer, it's welded onto the trailer and it sticks out the back. So when you buy some of our post racks, there's plenty of room to run the barbs as well as the plain wires and hinge joint.
Cool, and now something just to, you know, add right at the end as the music's playing.
So yeah, if you don't buy one, I'm gonna come burn your house down.
Doesn't wanna light up with you like a cigarette. Love sick, I'm feeling